Lake Como is a beautiful lake located in northern Italy's Lombardy region, just north of Milan. It is one of the deepest lakes in Europe and is known for its stunning scenery, picturesque towns, and luxurious villas. The lake is surrounded by the Pre-Alps, which provide a dramatic backdrop to the stunning landscape. Lake Como is a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors from all over the world who come to enjoy its natural beauty, charming towns, and cultural attractions. Some of the most popular towns on the lake include Bellagio, Varenna, and Como, each offering a unique atmosphere and plenty of things to see and do. In addition to its natural beauty, Lake Como is also known for its luxurious villas and gardens, which date back to the 16th and 17th centuries. These villas are scattered throughout the lake region and are open to the public for tours. Take a boat tour. One of the best ways to see the lake and its surrounding towns is by taking a boat tour. There are plenty of options available, from private boat tours to public ferry services. Visit the charming towns. The towns around Lake Como are incredibly picturesque and offer plenty of things to see and do. Some of the most popular towns to visit include Bellagio, Varenna, Menaggio, and Como. Explore the villas and gardens. There are several beautiful villas and gardens around Lake Como that are open to the public. These include Villa del Balbianello, Villa Carlotta, and Villa Monastero. The Pre-Alps surrounding Lake Como offer plenty of opportunities for hiking and outdoor adventures. The Sentiero del Viandante and the Greenway del Lago di Como are two popular hiking trails. Lake Como is known for its delicious cuisine, including dishes like risotto, polenta, and fresh fish from the lake. Be sure to try some of the local specialties while you're there. Finally, one of the best things to do around Lake Como is simply to relax and enjoy the stunning views. There are plenty of lakeside cafes, restaurants, and parks where you can sit and soak in the scenery. Overall, the best time to visit Lake Como is from late spring to early fall, when the weather is mild, and there are plenty of outdoor activities and events to enjoy. The closest major airport to Lake Como is Milan's Malpensa Airport, located about 40 miles, 64 kilometers, away. From there, you can take a train or bus to one of the towns around the lake.